Namaste everyone, welcome to the class. Now let us see this third problem. We are solving equations which are not in direct linear equation form, but we can reduce them. So let us see this first problem of this third question. Question is 3x plus 14y is equals to 5xy. We will consider this as equation 1, and 21y minus x. Okay, 21y minus x is equals to 2xy. Okay, so first we will divide both the equations by xy. Why xy? Because this is not in linear form. Now let us divide both equations by xy. So we will divide both equations by xy. Here we get 3x upon xy plus 14y upon xy is equals to 5xy upon xy. Okay, so this xx cancel, this yy cancel, here both xy cancel. So we get 3 upon y plus 14 upon x is equals to 5. Let us write x term first. So therefore I have 14 upon x plus 3 upon y is equals to 5. Let us consider this as equation number 3. Also from equation 2, or I will divide equation 2 by xy. So I have 21y upon xy. This is 21y upon xy minus the next term is x upon xy. Here it is x upon xy is equals to 3xy upon xy. Let us see, this is 2xy upon xy, not 3. This is 2xy upon xy. So this xy term will cancel. Here y will cancel. Here x will cancel. So I have therefore 21 upon x minus 1 upon y is equals to 2. This is our equation number 4. Now equation 3 and equation 4. Here it is 3 upon y, here it is 1 upon y. Means everywhere it is 1 upon x, 1 upon y, like that. So what we do? We will consider let 1 upon x. So we say that let 1 upon x is equals to a and 1 upon y is equals to b. So therefore our equation will become, third equation become 14a plus 3b. So 14a plus 3b is equals to 5. Okay, this we can say equation number 5, and this we got from equation 3. Also we have 21a minus b is equals to 2. This we consider 6. This is from equation number 4. Now if I multiply this equation 6 by 3, I have 3b, then I can solve it. So multiply equation 6 by 3. Multiply equation 6, this equation 6 we multiply by 3. So we get 63a minus 3b is equals to 6. This we will consider equation number 7. Now if we have equation 5 and equation 7, we add them. So add equation 5 and 7. What we do? Adding equation 5 and 7. We add equation 5 and 7. So equation 5 is 14a plus 3b is equals to 5, and equation number 7 is 63a minus 3b is equals to 6. So when we add, we get 4 plus 3, 7, 6 plus 1, 7, 77a is equals to, we add here 6 plus 5, 11. So therefore, we get a is equals to 11 upon 77 is equals to 1 upon 7. Okay. Now we put this value of a, which is 1 by 7, in any of the equation. So let us put this in equation 6. So equation 6 is 21 a minus b equal to 2. 21 a minus b is equals to 2. So therefore 21 into 1 upon 7 minus b is equals to 2. This will cancel. So 3 minus b is equals to 2. Therefore I will move this b on right hand side. So 3 minus 2 is equals to b. So b is equals to 1. So value of a, therefore we got a 1 by 7 and b 1. So therefore a, which is equals to 1 upon x, is equals to 1 upon 7. This gives me the value of x as 7, and b is 1 upon y is equals to 1. This gives me the value of y as 1. So x is equals to 7 and y is equals to 1 is the solution. So this is how we solved it. Problem is lengthy, of course. Acha, this second question, 3x plus 5y is equals to 4xy and 2y minus x is equals to xy. Now you can solve this problem by yourself. Exactly the same how we done this first problem. Okay. So next problem I am not doing. Let us concentrate on this fourth problem. So let us write fourth problem somewhere here. First problem is 20 upon x plus 1 plus 4 upon y minus 1 is 5, and 10 upon x plus 1 minus 4 upon y minus 1 is equals to 1. The second question is 3 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is 3, and 2 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is 11 upon 3. So again both are same type of question. I will solve the second part, as in denominator we have x plus y instead of x plus 1. So this first part is easy to solve than second part. So let us take this second question. Second question is 3 upon x plus y plus 2 upon x minus y is equals to 3. This is our first equation, and 2 upon x plus y plus 3 upon x minus y is equals to 11 upon 3. This is our second equation. So what we do, we will consider, now you can see that if I consider this 1 upon x plus y a and 1 upon x minus y as b, my problem will reduce to linear equation form. So therefore I get, therefore 3a plus 2b is equals to 3. This we can consider equation number 3, and 2a plus 3b is equals to 11 upon 3. So better we multiply both the sides by 3. So therefore 3 to the 6a plus 3 to the 9b is equals to 11. This is my equation number 4. Equation number 3 and equation number 4. Now I have to solve this equation 3 and 4. You can see that in equation 3 we have 3a and equation 4 we have 6a. So if I multiply equation 3 by 2, I will get the solution. So multiply equation 3. We multiply this equation 3 by 2. By 2, not in bracket I will write. by 2. So what I will get? I will get 6a plus 4b is equals to 6. This is equation number 5. Now I will subtract equation 5 from equation 4. Subtract equation 5 from 4. So we write equation number 4 first, that is 6a plus 9b equal to 11. Then we write 6a plus 4b equal to 6, and then I subtract it. The sign will change. This will cancel. 9 minus 4 is 5. So I get 5b. 11 minus 6 is 5. So the value of b is 1. So therefore I get b is equals to 1. So value of b is 1. Now put b is equals to 1 in equation. So I will say that put b is equals to 1 in equation. In which equation we will put? An equation, say an equation, let us put in equation 3. In equation 3. So my third equation is 3a plus 2b equal to 3. 3a plus 2b is equals to 3. So therefore 3a plus 2b means it is 2 into 1 is equals to 3. So therefore 3a equal to 3 minus 2 is equals to 1. So therefore a is equals to 1 upon 3. So b is equals to 1, a is equals to 1 upon 3. Now what we have assumed? That a is 1 upon x plus y. So therefore a is equals to 1 upon x plus y is equals to 1 upon 3. So this gives me the value of x plus y is equals to 3. So let us consider this as one other equation. So till 5 we have named. So this is my sixth equation, and b is equals to 1 upon x minus y is equals to 1. So this gives me the value of x minus y is 1. This is seventh equation. B is 1. Okay. So now we have to solve 6 and 7. So adding equation 6 and 7. So when we add 6 and 7, what we get? X plus x to x, y will cancel. So we get 2x is equals to 3 plus 1 4. Therefore I get x is equals to 4 upon 2 is equals to 2. So the value of x is 2. Now put x is equals to 2 in equation. X is equals to 2 we put in equation 6. So x plus y is equals to 3. So therefore 2 plus y equal to 3. Therefore y equal to 1. So x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1 is the required solution. So therefore our solution is x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 1. Yes, simple. Okay. Now let us see one more question. Fifth question we will solve. So let us erase all this stuff. Okay. So just delete it. Okay. Now in fifth question again there are two problems which you want me to solve. What we assume here, actually if you see 2x plus 3y is in denominator in both the equation and 3x minus 2y is there. Okay. Now problem number 1 and problem number 2, in both the cases denominator variable is same. So let me try this second problem. It seems little complicated, as here it is 61 upon 60. So here what we do, let us consider this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. So I will say that 1 upon x plus 2y is equals to a, and 1 upon 3x minus 2y as b. So we consider 1 upon x plus 2y as a and 1 upon 3x minus 2y as b. So my equations will become, so therefore I have 1 upon 2a plus 5 upon 3b equal to minus 3 upon 2. This is from 1. Now better I multiply by 6 on both the sides. So multiply by 6 on both sides. This first term when multiplied by 6, I will get 3a. The second term when multiplied by 6, so 3 to the 6 cancel, 5 to the, I get 10b, equal to when this is multiplied by 6 to 3 the, I will get minus 9. So consider this as equation number 3. Also let us see how equation number 2 will modify. So it is 5 by 4a from, I will say that from equation 2. We get 5 divided by 4a minus 3 divided by 5b is equals to, right hand side is 61 upon 60. So 61 upon 60. So 5 for the 20, but on right hand side denominator is 60. So let us multiply both the sides by 60. Multiply both sides by 60. So I will get 60 into 5 upon 4a minus 60 into 3 upon 5b is equals to 60 into 61 upon 60. So this 60 cancel. 4 1 the 4, 2 20, 4 5 the 20, 15 into 5. This is 75a minus 5 1 the 5, 1 10, 5 2 the. So 12 into 3, 36b is equals to, here it is 61. This is my equation number 4. Equation 3 and equation 4. Here it is 10, here it is 36, here it is 3a, here it is 75a. So to multiply and then solve, it seems little complicated. What we can do, we can find the value of 3a, or if I multiply equation number 3 by 25, it becomes 75. So that also will help me. So let us multiply equation 3 by 25. So I will say multiply equation 3 by 25. So I will get 75a plus 25 into 10 is 250b is equals to 25 into 9 is minus 225. This we consider as equation number 5. Now subtract equation 4 from equation 5. Subtract equation 4 from equation 5. So equation 5 write first, that is 75a plus 250b is equals to minus 225. I will subtract 75a minus 36b is equals to 61. So this sign change, this sign change, this sign change. This is 6, 5 plus 3, 8, and this is 2, 286b. Here it is minus 286. So therefore the value of b we get, therefore b is 1, minus 1. Okay. Put b is equals to minus 1 in equation. Let us put this in equation 3. My equation 3 is little simple. So 3a plus 10b equal to minus 9. 3a. So 3a plus 10b equal to minus 9. So therefore it is 3a plus 10 into minus 1 is equals to minus 9. So therefore 3a is equals to minus 9 plus 10 is equals to 1. So therefore a is equals to 1 upon 3. Okay. So we got the value of b and value of a. Now a is equals to, what we assume in the beginning, a is equals to 1 upon x plus 2y, 1 upon x plus 2y is equals to 1 upon 3. So this gives me x plus 2y is equals to 3. Now consider this as equation. Already equation 5 we have used. So consider that is equation 6, and b is equals to minus 1 and b is equal to 1 upon 3x minus 2y. So this is 1 upon 3x minus 2y. So therefore value of 3x minus 2y is minus 1. This is equation 7. X plus 2y is 3, 3x minus 2y is minus 1. Add equation, adding equation 6 and 7. We add this 6 and 7. So here 2 by 2y will cancel. X plus 3x will become 4x. Here we add, so we will get 2. So therefore x is 2 upon 4 is 1 upon 2. We got the value of x. Now put the value of x in equation 6. Put value of x in equation 6. X plus 2y is 3. X plus 2y is 3. So therefore the value of x is 1 by 2 plus 2y is 3. So therefore 2y will become 3 minus half, 3 to the 6, 6 minus 1, it is 5 divided by 2. So 2y is 5 divided by 2, therefore y equal to 5 divided by 4. This 2 will go in denominator and I will get y is equal to 5 by 4. So the value of x is 1 by 2, value of y is 5 by 4. So therefore x is 1 by 2 and y is 5 divided by 4. Done. Okay. The first problem you try to solve by yourself. Yes. So this is how you can solve the problems which are reducible to the linear equation. Now this is a very important type, as definitely you will get one question of such type for 4 or 5 marks, right? So practice it. Thank you for being with me in this lecture. In next lecture we will see some more topic, or we will see a new chapter. Thank you.